Welcome to Queen Deluxe. Let's do some vintage sewing. It was a lot. So basically this is going to be my annoying clip show of all the stuff I made in 2020 on YouTube. Maybe I will show you the stuff that I didn't make on YouTube too, because I really sewed a lot. But first, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel or has watched my videos. I really super appreciate it. I'm up to 900 subscribers. That's insane! I started this YouTube channel just thinking as a lark, like I wasn't seeing the kind of content that I wanted to see, and here we are, 900 subscribers! Thank you! It's insane. So yeah, I did make a lot of stuff this year, I think because of the pandemic. Now, of course, the year was kind of hard. We had some difficulties in my family and with work. I mean, I had to completely change the way we teach at the college that I work with, and everything is online. So I was making videos for YouTube and videos for school. I was so grateful that I already had a jump start on how to make instructional videos. It really helped out with the school. I think sewing also saved my sanity. The creative outlet just gave me so much inspiration. I just used up so much fabric from my stash. I used patterns that I've always wanted to make. It was super fun to make just the things that I wanted to make. Working in the costuming industry can be tough. You're always asked to make, fabulous things, but it's not necessarily the stuff that you want to make. I'm glad that you guys appreciated the stuff that I did want to make and you enjoyed some of my videos. In the future, I would love to know what you guys want to learn, what you'd want to see me make. Please put all your ideas in the comments below. Here's a cute dog break. One of the major blessings of 2020 was getting on the costume guide and just meeting all the costumers in our little community. It's amazing. I've made some really great friends and they've helped me, I think, with the channel. It's just such a huge blessing. CocoVid was also just such an amazing weekend, and I was so proud to be a part of it. This is also a major milestone for me. I made 1 year on YouTube, and this is the party dress that I made in my 1 year video. Definitely one of my favorite makes of 2020. Another highlight from the year was the stash swap with the people from the costume guide. Gwen from Gwen's Shenanigans sent me fabric all the way from the Netherlands, and I made this cute 1930s outfit. And then we have October. I did suffer through the make of this witch cape, and then probably the highlight of the year, Halloween. Historical Halloween was so fun. I had the best time making my costume and seeing everyone else's videos. It was amazing. For recent videos play through, I thought I would talk about what's next for my channel. I haven't made a lot of plans just because 2020 was so unusual and all the things that I did have planned kind of got thrown out the window. So I thought I would leave it up to you guys about what you want to see. Also, I am just not going to plan that much. I have one thing in the works and we'll just see what happens. Thank you all for watching. I love reading all your comments and interacting with you all. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you all. Happy New Year.